Special needs planning is a particular subset of elder law where we work with the families of people with disabilities. Very often we're working with the parents of a child or an adult child who has disabilities. We prefer to call that special needs because there could be a number of different things that are involved in that. So what's important with special needs planning, the first thing that parents may come to talk to us about may be their own estate planning. So if something happens to the parents, they know those children are being taken care of. Because those children with special needs may be getting needs-based government benefits, it's very important that the parents have particular planning for them so that they don't lose those government benefits. And we may use what's called a special needs trust for that. And the next thing that happens with a child as they grow up is they turn 18 and they become an adult. So the question becomes, who's going to talk to the doctors? Are the parents still going to be making the medical decisions? So does the child do a power of attorney and a medical directive, or does the child need to have a guardian in place? And so those can be very interesting and sometimes difficult conversations with the parents, because most parents want their children to be as independent as possible. And sometimes it's having that conversation and really talking about what is the prognosis for the child's future, what are their hopes and goals and dreams, and collectively where they're going as a family. So that's a really important part of planning for those families, because very often they have other children at home. They may have other minor children at home they need to be concerned about. They may have adult children that might be involved later on in the process. They might be the guardians down the road or the trustees of the funds for that child with special needs. So it's a very important piece, and those parents have a lot on their plate every day, most of the time since their children were born, and taking care of those needs and advocating for them, advocating in the school system for them, advocating with the doctors. And so what we can bring to the table is our legal expertise to help them navigate those waters so they're not out there trying to do that and figure that out on their own. And we do what we can also to help them with those advocacy situations as they arise.